welcome back to my channel. Homegrown Designs is a place where you'll learn all things furniture flipping and DIY. Today I am showing you my 3 favorite tools for removing finishes. Have you been struggling to remove old paint, old varnish, or anything off of a dresser or a nightstand or any other piece of furniture? I am here to show you my 3 favorite tools that will help you remove these finishes. Did I get these all at once? No, but over the years, I've added each one of these to my toolkit and I absolutely love them. So if you haven't already, please subscribe and follow me on my other social media channels, and let's get to it. Okay, today I'm using my detail tool, okay, and this is the detail sander attachment. It is great for getting up in here, these hard to reach places. So it comes with lots of different attachments and they're just like super helpful, and I'll show you how quickly it can remove some paint. Okay, another tool that makes removing finishes easy is my carbide scraper. So I'm just going to put it in here and I'm just going to scrape off the paint. You can see here all the paint that it scraped right off. Multiple layers of paint on this. To give you a better visual of this, I am showing a previous video that I had recorded using this same carbide scraper. As you can see, I'm not using a ton of pressure, but it is just peeling off that paint. Another tool to make removing finishes really easy is a sanding system. You can use a simple orbital sander, but I prefer to use my Surf Prep 3x5 ray. This thing is, I love that it's square so I can get in little edges, and it has a hose to hook up to my vacuum system. So let me show you how this works. I hope you found this video helpful with these 3 tools that help you remove finishes: the multi-tool, the carbide scraper, and a sander. It could be an orbital sander or the same system that I have. But anyway, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video.